Hello, today we embark on a journey to explore the unprecedented changes our planet is undergoing. Temperatures are continuously rising, sea levels are increasing, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. These changes are known as climate change, and they have profound impacts on our ecosystems and all life forms on Earth. Together, we will witness melting glaciers, drought-stricken lands, and cities swept away by storms. We will also directly experience the effects of climate change on wildlife, marine ecosystems, and human societies. Let's venture to the front lines of climate change together. The impact of climate change, the crisis and future of our planet. The Earth is now undergoing unprecedented changes. Temperatures are rising, sea levels are increasing, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. These changes are known as climate change, and they are having a massive impact on ecosystems and life on Earth. This documentary takes you to the front lines of climate change. Together, we will witness melting glaciers, drought-stricken lands, and cities swept away by storms. We will also directly experience the effects of climate change on wildlife, marine ecosystems, and human societies. A melting Earth, glaciers and rising sea levels. Global warming is causing glaciers to melt and sea levels to rise. As glaciers melt, sea levels rise, putting coastal cities at risk of flooding. Additionally, the disappearance of glaciers reduces fresh water supplies and affects ocean circulation. A melting Earth. Antarctica, glaciers in Antarctica are melting at an accelerating rate due to global warming. Himalayas, glaciers in the Himalayas are also rapidly melting and disappearing. Venice, rising sea levels are putting Venice at risk of flooding. Extreme weather events, droughts, floods, and storms. Climate change is making extreme weather events like droughts, floods, and storms more frequent and severe. These extreme weather events cause crop damage, loss of life, and socioeconomic losses. Extreme weather events. 2022 European drought. In 2022, Europe faced severe drought, leading to crop damage and water shortages. 2021 German floods. In 2021, severe floods in Germany caused significant loss of life and property damage. 2020 U.S. wildfires. In 2020, California experienced record-breaking wildfires. Ecosystem destruction. Wildlife at risk. Climate change is destroying ecosystems and threatening wildlife. Ocean acidification, habitat loss, and the inability of species to adapt to climate change put many at risk of extinction. Additionally, the emergence of new diseases and pests is a concern. Marine ecosystems, coral bleaching and marine life decline. Rising sea temperatures are causing severe coral bleaching. Corals play a crucial role in marine ecosystems, providing habitat and food sources for a variety of marine life. However, when corals bleach, they die off, causing extensive damage to marine ecosystems. Additionally, rising sea temperatures and sea level changes affect the migration and breeding of marine species. For instance, migratory fish like salmon may find their routes altered or spawning grounds disappearing. Terrestrial ecosystems, habitat loss and endangered species. Climate change is also severely impacting terrestrial ecosystems. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels threaten low-lying wetlands. Extreme weather events cause forest fires, droughts, and floods, destroying habitats. Habitat loss accelerates the extinction of plants and animals, especially those with low mobility or those adapted to specific environments. Emerging diseases and pests. Climate change can trigger new diseases and pests. Rising sea temperatures promote marine bacterial growth and the emergence of new viruses. Extreme weather conditions can also increase pest proliferation and the introduction of new pests. These new diseases and pests can damage crops, cause livestock diseases, and threaten human health. What we can do: efforts to protect the Earth. Climate change is a serious issue, but if we act now, we still have a chance to address it. We can protect the Earth and preserve ecosystems through the following efforts. reducing greenhouse gas emissions. We must reduce the use of fossil fuels and increase the use of renewable energy to cut greenhouse gas emissions. Saving energy, reducing energy consumption and improving energy efficiency to cut energy waste. Protecting forests, we must protect forests and plant new trees to increase carbon absorption. Sustainable consumption, buying products produced sustainably and reducing waste. Individual efforts, individual small actions can add up to big changes. Saving energy, recycling, and using public transport can contribute to preventing climate change. Climate change affects all of us. We must work together to protect the Earth and pass on a healthy environment to future generations. Today, we explored how climate change severely impacts our planet and all life on it. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. Ecosystems are being destroyed, wildlife is at risk, and new diseases and pests are emerging. However, there are solutions to this crisis. If we act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, save energy, protect forests, and practice sustainable consumption, we can protect the Earth and preserve ecosystems. Small efforts can lead to big changes. Let's all work together to ensure a healthy environment for future generations. Now is the time to act.